So beta, yesterday we were discussing about prerequisite for charges to flow. That is required. First is circuit should be closed and there must be a potential difference. Like human being, if they have to move, there must be some reason and there must be a path. So electric current, we were talking about electric current. What is electric current?
Rate of flow of charges in
Rate of
circuit.
flow of charges.
Rate of flow of charge. So whenever you hear this term rate of, but whenever you see this rate of means you have to divide by time. So electric current is denoted by I equals to charge is denoted by capital Q, okay, or small q, whatever you say. I equals to Q by rate of means divided by that time, you have to say. Now few things we will understand better. SI unit. SI unit of current is what?
Ampere, sir,
Yes, sir.
Ampere.
for electric current.
So ampere it is denoted by capital A also.
Capital
Is it
A.
clear?
Capital A, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for charges, this is for electric current. And for charge, SI unit,
C. Columbus.
coulomb.
Coulomb,
So
sir.
for this, SI unit is coulomb. And for time,
It's seconds, sir. It's in
Second.
seconds.
second. Second is denoted by small s. So can we say relation between ampere, coulomb and second is 1 ampere equals to how much we can say? 1 ampere equals to 1 coulomb per second. Yes, beta.
Yes, sir.
So one question I'm giving to all of you. Find the current in a circuit if 10 microcoulomb charge passes in every 5 millisecond. Every 5 millisecond. This is your question. Please reply me privately. Find the current in a electric circuit if 10 microcoulomb charge passes in every 5 milliseconds. And fastest answer has been given by Kavya, he is wrong. Ritvik wrong. Akshara wrong. Pranav wrong. Aditi wrong. Vivek wrong. Kavya wrong. Okay, so just I'm looking for anybody could be savior of this group. Mohit, I think you are close to the answer, but still you are wrong, beta. Shreyan wrong. Krishna Pranav, you are wrong. Bhumika, you are still wrong, beta. Mohit, still wrong. Okay, no problem. We'll look at here how to solve. Everyone, please look at here now. What are the information has been given now? Find the current means I is being asked. Q has been given how much? 10 microcoulomb. Microcoulomb means 10 raised to
So 10 power
minus
minus 6.
coulomb. So can we say it is 10 raised to minus 5 coulomb? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then time t has been given 5 millisecond. Millisecond means 10 raised to minus 3 second. So formula we have learned I equals to Q by T. Yes or no, beta? Q is how much? 10 raised to minus 5. T is how much? 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. If we solve, you'll get 10 raised to minus 5 upside plus 3 upon 5. Meaning is what? 10 raised to minus 2 upon 5. If you solve, you'll get how much? 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who could not understand may please tell me, sir, can you explain once again, or IDK?
Sir, I didn't understand that 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 part.
Sir, even me.
Me too, sir.
Okay, this is called a basic calculation. So Vedic mathematics, please you all attend the Vedic mathematics class as well. So how to solve? See, this portion you didn't understand, right?
I didn't understand why it was 10 into 10 to the power minus 6.
This portion,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. So please make a note. Whatever you are not knowing, you make a note. Note 1 micro. This is called a micro symbol, or let me write 1 micro equals to 10 raised to minus 6. This is called 1 mu equals to 10 raised to minus 6. Please make a note. Wherever such term is coming, just put 10 raised to minus 6. So micro coulomb, so micro this mu equals to 10 raised to minus 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same way milli means 10 raised to minus 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Next. Here, how it will come? 10 raised to minus 2 by 5 equals to
1 by
2
500.
into 10 raised to minus 3. You all have understood?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Can you explain?
Not understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will explain this also, how to get this. Please understand, can I say this is okay, beta? Now,
Sir, if like that, then
can
you
I
shall.
assume, see 1 by 5 is how much, beta? If I say 1 by 5, can we say 1 by 5 equals to 0.2?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
0.2, can I say 10, 2 raised to 10 minus 1?
Yes, sir.
So 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, can I say? Yes or no, beta?
Sir, what, sir? Once can you repeat?
10 raised to minus 2 by 5, how it is coming? 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. That was the confusion, right? So 1 by 5, it will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 and 10 raised to minus 2. That will become 10 raised to minus 3. Is it clear for all of you? Or still doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So are you ready for next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Top 5 members, I'm going to name it. Find I if Q equals to 300 microcoulomb and time it is taking 20 minutes. Yeah, please reply. Fast, fast, fast. Okay, so who has replied fastest? I will just name it. Pranav has replied, and whether they are right or wrong, I will check. Akshara,
Sir, I
you
replied,
are
sir.
wrong. Shreyan, I think wrong. That could not be the answer. Vivek. Okay, first I will solve, and then after that we will see whether how many of you are right. Formula of I equals to how much? Q by T. And Q is how much? Same method. 300 into micro. Micro means? Please speak out.
10 power minus
20
6.
minute. Minute ko we have to convert into second.
60, sir, into 60. 0
This
zeros cancelled.
is cancelled. So which is nothing but 3 by 12 into 10 raised to minus 6. 3 by 12 means I can say
1 by 4, sir.
so 1 by 4 means 0.25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can just find it now who is right, who is not right. Pranav, you are right. Congratulations, Pranav, first ranker. Akshara, wrong. Shreyan, wrong. Vivek, perfect. Vivek, second ranker. Kavya, third ranker. Mohit, fourth ranker. Deepshikha, wrong, beta. Bhargav, you are still wrong, beta, Bhargav. Nitya, fifth ranker. Good. After that, those who have made mistakes may please correct. Understood everyone, or shall I explain once again?
Understood.
Sir, understood, sir.
We can do 25 to 10 for minus 2.
Sorry?
We can get as the 20 if the points we will remove 25.
25 into 10 raised to minus 8 also you can do. You can reply even in fraction. To me, there is no problem. But in exam, once you are solving where pen and paper is there, try to solve through your brain as well. First, you try to solve through your brain, apply your brain. Last question now. Find Q if I equals to 300 milliampere and time is how much? 2 minutes. Please reply. Q is how much? Be fast.
Sir, 1 milli is equal to how much, sir?
10 raised to minus 3, I told no.
Sir, I replied.
No problem, no problem.
The same.
Okay, we will see what is the answer. Q equals to, there is a formula, Q equals to I into T. I is how much beta? 300. Milli means 10 raised to minus 3. T is 2 minutes. 2 into, convert into second. 60. So 3 minus and here 3 plus. It will be all, 0 will be out. 3 2 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. 36 coulomb. Your answer should be 36 coulomb. Let me check the answer now. Who has replied correctly? Mohit, you are right. Bhargav, right. Shreyan, wrong. Krishna, wrong. Vivek, wrong. Akshara, wrong. Kavya, right. Pranav, wrong. Deepshikha, wrong. Bhumika, wrong. Ritvik, right. Okay. Is it clear for all of you? This is simple multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication. If you carefully analyze in physics also, pure mathematics only. That is the reason I insist all my children to go through Vedic mathematics classes so that you can solve such questions in your brain itself. Okay, beta? You have to reply me true or false. True or false? Just reply me privately. And I received fastest answer by Mohit, then Kavya, Pranav, Akshara, Vivek, Ritvik, Momika, Shreyan, Dipshika. Okay, so most of you are right itself. Okay, it should be false. Why? Who will tell the logic?
So can I?
Raise hand, raise hand. Then I will give one opportunity to raise hand. Yes, Vivek, please tell me, beta.
Sir, is it like Na is losing an electron, so that's why its mass will be.
Very good. Since Na is losing its one electron, and electron will have some mass. So if it is losing one electron means mass will be lesser. So positive ion will be always less than the masses will be always less than the its original or parent atom. Clear for everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Students have replied it is true as well. Vivek, you are from which school, beta?
Sir, I'm from Unicent.
Unicent. Okay. Next question. Same way, if I say chlorine and chloride ion, which will be greater mass?
Sir, Cl minus.
Sir, Cl minus.
Ha.
Cl
That
minus, sir.
Cl minus will be greater, and here we can say it is false. Okay. So actually, mass of sodium should be greater than Na plus. Right. Some properties, few properties we are going to learn now.
Yeah, what is the question?
Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Properties of charges, like charges repel. What is the meaning of repel? And unlike charges attract. And please
Like-
notice, beta, in my
So
class, whatever tough or technical word is there, never ever bypass. Try to understand each and every technical word. And if you are not aware, ask me. Like charges repel. What is the meaning of repel?
Moving
You
away
might
from
be
each
clear.
other.
Moving away.
It will be moving
attract.
away. Attract means it will try to pull it. So for example, if I say one sodium ion and another sodium ion, what will happen? Will they be pulled or they will be pushed?
They'll repel.
Repel.
So they will repel to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
And if I say Na plus and Cl minus, what will happen?
They'll attract.
They'll attract.
Both will be attracted. So this is the meaning. Repel means like charges, similar nature. Chloride minus and chloride minus, what will happen?
Repel.
Again, they will repel.
Repel.
But is it true for like same human being also? Two boys will try to repel, two girls will try to repel. नहीं होता ना?
No,
वो
sir.
अच्छे फ्रेंड भी बनते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Not like यूक्रेन एंड रसिया. दोनों देखो है ना, दोनों मेल हैं बट both are repelling each other. A charged body attracts other uncharged like particles. Is it true?
Yes, sir. Electrostatic force.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Electricity.
Why it is?
Because they have the energy which attracts the.
Uncharged like particle, how it will get attracted? See, if there is a charged particle, how uncharged particle will be attracted? Now suppose here is a positive ion, another which is uncharged, it is uncharged. How it will attract? Are you able to understand? It is telling it will get attracted, it will pull it. How it is possible?
So like it produces opposite charge in that?
So because of the force created during the charge.
Sir, because it
Amatullah, you have replied because they are unlike charges. No, beta, it is not like, there is no charge, uncharged, not unlike,
Like
there is
because
no
the
charge.
charged, so because the charged object produces opposite charge in the uncharged one.
Very good, Kavya. So what happens? There is a little bit deep understanding is required. If suppose there is a spherical charge here now, okay, it has been charged. Another conductor, if you bring here, there is no charge on this. If you bring it, what will happen? It will be this side. If you find minus charge, opposite charges will be produced here, and opposite side, this side minus, so opposite side plus. How many minus are there, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus will also be generated, so that plus and minus will be neutral. Now this plus and this minus, what will happen? This will be pulled. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So charged body attract other uncharged, even uncharged particle, but please understand, it should be a conductor. If it is not conductor, this case is applicable for conductor case, that uncharged particle should be conductor. If it is not conductor, it will not attract. Can I say electron will be attracting neutron? Is it possible?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Never, it cannot. It will never attract. Okay. Total charge of an isolated physical system is always conserved. How many people have understood this meaning, beta? Total charge of an isolated physical system is always conserved. Kavya has understood. Alone Kavya.
Understood,
Mohit
sir.
Vaibhav. No need to come under pressure. If you have understood, then only raise hand. Otherwise, I will explain. Each word is having detailed meaning. Okay. Okay. So let me understand through Mohit Vaibhav. Please, Mohit, tell me, beta.
Yes, sir. So in this, sir, basically what I understood was like the total charge matlab, like how we learned before in physics about just a second, sir, I'll tell.
It's okay.
About kinetic energy and potential energy, like how total energy is always conserved. The same
Yes.
way over here also negative and positive is always conserved.
Always conserved. Aditi?
So it means that it's not exchanging or like its energy with its surroundings.
Energy, I mean, energy is little higher term. So with respect to charges we are talking.
Like the net charge of an
Have you
isolated
understood?
system.
Yes, Kavya. Net charges. Very good. How many technical words are there? Let me ask to Varshita. Varshita, beta, can you identify the technical words here now? What are those technical words which you wanted to understand about those things in detail? Okay, I think Varshita is unable to speak.
So I don't know the answer.
No, not answer. Technical word. What? I mean, all the words. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
No. I mean, if you are clear about this total charge, you understand the meaning of total charge. Isolated physical system. Are you clear about that? Okay, beta. So I will explain one by one. This term is having detailed meaning. We will just try to break each and every word and try to understand now. See, total charge, isolated, physical system, conserved. How many words we got? Total charge, isolated, physical system, and conserved. So first we will understand what is the meaning of isolated system. What is the meaning of isolated? This is a technical word. What is the meaning of isolated?
Sir, separated.
Separate.
There are two things, beta. Please understand. one is called system and another is called surrounding. System and surrounding, this word please understand, system and surrounding. And how to define system? Any virtual boundary or real boundary. System means any virtual or real boundary. Boundary, boundary,
Answer, bro. I don't need reason.
which confine the objects. Meaning is that suppose if I say I have to study about one boat or car system. So car, if I say this is my car, okay, so this car I am making as a boundary now, virtual boundary. This is called my system, okay beta, and this is called boundary. Excluding system, if you remove a system, apart from system, whatever is laying, that is called surrounding. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I talk about car, about my car, so that car I will just encircle or I will enclose by one virtual boundary. So inside that virtual boundary, whatever it is laying, that is called a system. And apart from that, all outer part of the boundary is called a surrounding. Isolated means nothing should get interaction between system and surrounding. What is the meaning of isolation, beta? What is the meaning of?
No interaction between system
No
and
interaction
surrounding.
between system and surroundings.
No interaction between system and surrounding. Isolated physical system means it is physically present. So let me understand, in this bucket I have taken say charges, 2 plus charges and 1 minus charges, 2 plus 1 minus. So what will happen? Total charge of an isolated physical system is always conserved. So whenever you see, because there is no, these charges cannot move outside, it cannot move to the boundary, so it will be always available same, it remains conserved, means net charges is always fixed. Clear for your, is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let me check any chat box somebody has. Akshara, any doubt beta? You have mentioned IDK.
No doubt.
No doubt. Akshara, you are in which school beta?
From Maharshi Vidya Mandir.
You are in Maharshi Vidya Mandir. Okay. Okay, so about this point, the exchange of charges in any physical process can be integral multiple of electron charge and not its fraction. Okay, so this is very much important. Charges are, this is in another term, it is called charges are quantized. Charges are quantized. Quantized, what is the meaning of quantized? Always integral multiple of electrons. You will never find 1.5 electron, 2.1 electron, no. It will be integral multiple, means 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, like that. The exchange of charge in any physical process can be an integral multiple of the electron charge and not its fraction. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then another thing is charge can neither be created nor destroyed. This is called law of conservation. Rather than these charges can be transferred from one body to another. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next point is one more important point we will understand. If charges is moving better, let me understand if this is my circuit. This is plus, this is minus. And if charges is moving, my let's say current is, this is called I current. So electron will be moving, what would be the direction of electron? Let's say this is, I am telling this is A, this is O. Movement of electron will be from O to A or A to O. Please reply me privately.
Sir, once
Movement
can you
of
repeat the
electron will
question?
be, in this circuit, movement of electron will be from A to O or O to A. My electric current is moving in this direction, right? Always from positive it comes out. So movement of electron will be from O to A or A to O.
Sir, this one.
Okay, I received reply from Bhumika, Akshara, Ritvik, Krishna Pranav, Varshita, Shreyan, Kavya, Aditi, Vivek, Dipshika, Satvik, and Nitya. You all are wrong except Kavya. Kavya, you are genius, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Please understand few things you have to understand. If I talk about movement of charges, current will be produced. Current is the effect. Current is the effect. But actual root cause is movement of the charges. So if electrons are moving or negative charges is moving, please listen carefully. If these electrons are moving in this direction, they are moving in this direction. This is velocity, okay? If these charges are moving in this direction, so electric current direction will be in this direction. This is the direction of electric current. Just ulta. Minus. This is minus means ulta. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If plus is, my plus is moving, let's say plus charges is moving in this direction. So current direction will be in which direction, beta?
Sir, towards the positive direction.
Same direction.
Towards the positive.
Okay? Any doubt? So current is moving in this direction, and then electron will be moving in which direction? This direction, right?
Opposite. A to O, sir.
A to O. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. One more question I'm asking. Find the number of electrons in 10 microcoulomb charge. 10 microcoulomb charge has been generated. How many electrons would have been transferred? What would be the number of electrons? Can you find anyone? Very good. Those who are not aware may please write IDK. Those who are not aware may please write IDK. Okay, how to solve? Because time is very less, so we'll look into that, how to solve. Q equals to formula you have learnt NE. Yes or no? Charge
Yes,
has been
sir.
given how much?
Yes, sir.
10 micro. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. N is being asked. E, 1 electron is how much? 1.6 10 raised to minus
1.6
19.
10 minus 19.
So N will be how much? 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. If you solve how much? 6.25. 10 by 1.6 is how much? 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 6 by minus 19 is plus 13. Okay, so this many electrons would have been, if I say positive charges, so this many electrons would have been removed or added?
Removed, sir.
Sir, I think
This
removed.
many electrons would have been
Yes, sir.
removed.
Removed.
Very good. This many electrons would have been removed. Please understand, the 10 microcoulomb is very less charges, but still if you count, number of electrons are in probably in trillions. It would be in trillions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will discuss about homework, beta.
Yes, sir.
Can we discuss now?
So one please roll up.
Which of the following is a correct representation of an electric circuit? Yes, please tell me. First one, is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second one,
Current is flowing from both sides. Yeah, sir. Yeah, maybe.
No, sir.
how?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Current
No.
always flow from positive, no, I told
Positive
it
to
should be like
negative,
this.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Third one,
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
it is going like this, but it is coming like this. It could have gone like this, right?
Yes, sir.
This
The
one,
last one is right.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
completing complete
This
circuit,
one,
right?
yes, sir.
Last one, sir.
Second one, which of the following relation is correct?
The first
Sir,
one.
the first one, sir.
Q
Sir,
by
1
T.
ampere is equal to 1 column upon 1 second.
1 coulomb by second.
What do the following symbols
That means
mean in the circuit?
Sir, first
This
is
is
resistor, sir.
resistor, sir. Resistor.
Second is I don't know, sir.
variable resistors. Wherever such kind of a symbol is there, means it is called a variable.
Okay. Variable resistor.
Okay, sir.
The third is cell. Fourth
Third is a
battery,
cell,
fifth
sir.
is,
And fourth is battery.
The
tap
fourth is
switch.
battery.
Fifth is
This
an
is
open,
called battery.
Tap
open,
switch.
open
Open tap
switch.
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 Sir, open circuit. Switch is
Open switch,
Fifth
sir.
is closed tap switch.
Open
And seventh
switch.
is
And then
And close switch, sir.
I don't know. Sir, you have to put open tap switch, sir, not open switch. Something anyway, anything is okay. Sir, seventh is open closed plug
This
switch.
is, yeah, this is called closed.
what? Close the what, sir?
Closed plug, sir.
Closed plug, you can say closed plug.
Yes, sir. Closed plug switch.
Next point, if 20 coulomb of charge passes a point in
Sir,
a
20
circuit
amps.
in 1 second,
20
what
amps.
current?
20 amperes.
20 amperes.
Q by E.
Very good, very fast you are doing. 20 by 1 is 20 ampere. Good. This one, 4 ampere flows
So
around
40
the circuit for 10
columns.
seconds.
40 columns.
0.5.
Q equals to IT, right?
Yeah, sir.
4 into 10.
40, sir. 40.
40.
40 columns.
20 coulomb in 40 seconds.
So, half an amp, sir.
0.5.
Half an amp.
Ampere.
Half amp. Or 0.5.
Okay, so there is no doubt, no? This question was shared to all of you.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Sir, only
Okay.
the switches I have doubts, sir. It is clear.
Very good. So today what we have learned, beta? Who will summarize? Electric
Came with
current,
physics and
SI
chemistry.
unit, then question we have done based on the current and
Electric-
charges, micro, milli, all these things we have done. After that, masses, positive and negative charge, properties of charges. Then again some question based on the current, how the current direction of current should be, number of electrons, how to find number of electrons, and then homework discussion, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.